Go ahead or get ahead. Do you know the differences between these two? You will confirm your doubts in a few minutes. So please keep on watching. Hi, it's me again, Jonah. Welcome to Online English TV. In today's video, we will learn the difference between go ahead and get ahead. If you're ready for it, then let's get the ball rolling. I'll give you 3 meanings of go ahead in today's video. Meaning number 1. It means it is used for affirmation or permission. Here are some example sentences. Can I try some of these? And if you're okay with that, then you could say, go ahead. It means you give permission. Example number 2. Would you mind me asking personal questions? And if you're okay with it, you can respond, go ahead. Here's meaning number 2. To start to do something. And here's how you're going to use it in sentences. I've been waiting for him to do this job, but nothing happened. So I decided to go ahead and do it by myself. So I decided to start it by myself. Another sentence is, the boss gave us a signal to go ahead with the project. The boss gave us a signal to start with the project. When events go ahead, it means it proceeds or happens as planned. Examples: rain or shine, the music festival will go ahead on the weekend. Example number 2. Despite strong opposition from her parents, she went ahead with her plans. Nothing can stop her. Okay, I hope that would be clear. So let's move on to get ahead. Get ahead is to be successful in what you do, or to be more successful, or to progress more quickly than other people. Here are example sentences. She did what it takes to get ahead in the world full of competition. Another example, the best way to get ahead is through consistency and hard work. The bottom line is, go ahead is used when you want to show permission or to start something. Get ahead is used when you are talking about success. If you want to be successful in what you do, or you want to be more successful than others. I hope you learned something from me today. If you are new to my channel, I would be grateful if you like this video. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell. And of course, if you would like to comment, I would appreciate it too. Thank you once again for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.